Hey guys, iBoat's Brian here. We're here with Eric at Starbrite. We're going to be reviewing some of the products, and he's going to basically tell us all about it. So, tell us about Starbrite. What do you have here?
So Starbrite, we manufacture chemical products, whether it be for fuel systems or whether it be for any type of part of your boat. Hull cleaner, for instance, is going to take care of your the scum line, that little mustache that you get on your boat from tannic acid stains or from the different dirty waters. Hull cleaner, you'll spray that on there and it'll take it off instantly. Now, if your boat's hung up in a lake for a long time or sits in the water and it develops any type of growth, whether it be mussels or something of that nature, you're going to need something a little bit harsher or a little bit something more aggressive to take it off. The hull cleaner won't. That's when you get into the boat bottom cleaners and the easy on, easy off. These formulas are buffered, so they're a little bit safer to use, but they're going to be aggressive enough to eat away at some of those deposits that are actually holding on to the surface. Same thing could be said when you talk about polishes, and we'll go to polishes and waxes, for instance. Oxidation and seeing that cloudiness that gets on your hull is always a problem that customers are going to have. Choosing the right polish or the right compound is imperative to getting the boat surface back to where you'd like it to be. So for instance here, we have a grouping of our products that would go from the amount of clean to the amount of shine that you would get by using it. Starting here with your heavy oxidation rubbing compound. That's going to remove some of the toughest, cloudiest surfaces that there is. The thing is about a rubbing compound is there's no protectants in it. So always after that, you're going to need to follow up with a wax or a polish to help seal in those polymers and seal that surface in to make it a little bit more shiny and perfect. So taking that into account, that would bring you into the other side of the spectrum, which is our marine polish, which is our polymer sealant. That would be your last step in the process, or that would be the process or the product that you would use after a rubbing compound to restore that shine. And then everything in between would give you a one step from here over, depending on the type of oxidation on the surface.
That's great.
So.